In this video series, we will be reviewing the process of creating a custom Checkmate probe to use with the Checkmate programming module. The basic workflow consists of 3 steps. First, create a 3D assembly model of the probe in SOLIDWORKS. Then second, using the Probe Builder 2 add-on, we add the Checkmate probe properties to that probe model. And finally, step 3 is to save the finished probe to a Checkmate PRB probe file. In this video, we will be reviewing step 2. So let's open the solid assembly file that we saved from step 1. An important note is that you want to have the file saved with the name that this probe file will eventually be called. In my case, I named it based on the buildup: the PH10T head, the 50mm extension, the TP2, and finally the 20mm by 2mm diameter stylus tip. To add the Checkmate probe properties to this model, we go to the Probe Builder 2 tab and select Add Edit Probe Properties. Okay, let's go through the fields one at a time. Because this is a single probe, we do not have to select anything in the SOLIDWORKS configuration box. Now we select the probe head type. For this, we will select indexed at 7.5 degrees. Then we click in the RAM mount field, and then we select any circular face on the top of the probe head. We pick a circular face because Checkmate can get a center point easily. Then we click in the rotational B reference field and select the circular face of the knuckle of the head that rotates in the B direction. Again, we pick a circular face because Checkmate can get a center point easily. The next field is for future use. We will skip that. The rack position field is left at a value of 0 because we're not defining a probe rack in this example. For the probe tips field, we simply select the one and only tip face. And we can skip the last field for the stylized star center. I review this field in our probe rack video series. Finally, we hit the green check mark to accept all of these settings. Now is a good time to save this solid assembly file. And we are ready to move on to step 3.